Hi students, how are you? Hope all are safe at your home. So in the last class, we have discussed our first chapter name Lovely Letters, and we have used an application called LibreOffice Writer, and we have discussed what is a word processor, the examples for word processor, formatting tools used in LibreOffice Writer like bold, italics, alignment tools, etc. And we have studied how to insert a picture in LibreOffice Writer, and also we have studied how can we adjust the size of the picture. Okay, so these are the things we have studied in our last class. So in today's class, we are going to create an invitation card, a birthday invitation card, using the tools in LibreOffice Writer which we have already studied. So kindly listen today's class, my dear students. So my dear students, for today's class we are doing an activity for creating an invitation card. Okay, so in your textbook page number 12 you can see an invitation card. I'll show you now. Yes, in your textbook page number 12 you can see an invitation card like this. So today I am going to create an invitation card like this. Okay, so before creating this invitation card, could you please tell me what all things you can observe in this invitation card? What all formatting have been done in this invitation card? Yes, we have inserted pictures. You can see here the balloon picture. Here there is a ribbon. Here there are some flowers and all. Okay, so these are the pictures we have inserted in this invitation card. Okay, and here there are some text here written here, and there is a heading birthday celebration. It is given a red font color. Okay, and this heading is underlined. It is made as bold. Okay, and here some text is given font color blue, some text is given font color black, etc. And also one more thing very important, all these invitation card is created inside a frame, a rectangular frame. You can see here a rectangular frame. Okay, so I didn't taught you how to create a frame. It is very simple. I will show you now. So first you have to create a frame like this, and you have to include these things inside this frame. So I have written 3 steps here for creating an invitation card. What is the first step? Yes, we need to create a frame first. So I'll show you in detail at that time. What is step 2? We need to apply some of the formatting tools. What all formatting tools? Yes, we need to give a new font style or font name. We can make the text bold. We need to underline the heading. What is the third thing? Align the text to the center. Yes, I forgot to tell you, this text is in which alignment? Yes, it is in center alignment. All these text is in center alignment. Okay, my dear students, so align the text to the center. So these are the formattings we are given to the text. Now finally we are going to insert picture. So this much steps we are going to do for creating an invitation card. So let us create an invitation card now. So first we need to open our application. Which application we are using? Yes, LibreOffice Writer. So how to open this application? Yes, first we need to go to application. At the top left corner you can see here, click on that, go to office. Inside office you can see LibreOffice Writer, make a left click. Now the application is open here. So first we are going to create a frame. First we are going to create a frame. So what you have to do, you have to go to insert menu. Insert menu, you can see here at the top left corner you can see insert menu. Click on that and you can see here frame. Again inside that there is frame. Click on that option. Now a window will be open like this. What you have to do, you have to give the width and height for the frame. So here I am going to create a frame with width 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. I am going to give width 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Now I am going to click OK here. What happened? A 12 centimeter height and 10 centimeter width frame is created now. Okay. Now in your textbook, inside the frame you can see it is yellow color. So I am going to give a yellow color to our frame. So how to give that? Yes, you can see here background color. Click on that and you just select a yellow color. I'm going to give a light gold here. Click on that. Now it is in yellow color. Okay, so we have created a frame. Now the second step, we are going to type text inside this frame. So before typing, please listen my dear students, just make a click outside the frame. What I have told, before typing, just make a click outside the frame. Okay, now you can see the cursor here, and again after that you can click inside the frame. Okay, now you can see the cursor inside the frame here. Can you see here? Yes. Okay, just make 1 2 3, okay, 2 or 3 enter key and you start typing here. And as I told you already, here it is center aligned, so you can make this also center alignment. So you can see here align center, click on that. Now the cursor will be at the center. Now we can start typing like our textbook, birthday celebration. So now I have typed the text here. Now I am going to give a different font style. Okay, so first you have to select the text, just click and drag like this. How to change the font name or font style? You can see here, this one, font name. Click here. Here I am going to give this one, first one, URW Chancery L. URW Chancery L. Okay, click on that. So now it is like your textbook. Okay, the text is like, the style is like your textbook. You just check. Okay, what is the second thing I am going to give? Select only this heading. I'm going to give a red color. So take the font color here, click on red. Now the color is changed. What is the next thing? I am going to bold the selected text. Click on bold. And also I am going to underline the selected text. So you can see here, underline. Now we have done almost all the formatting. Now we are going to insert the picture. So before inserting the picture, place the cursor. You can see here the cursor outside the frame. You can place it outside the frame. Now we can insert the picture. Let me ask you, I have shown you two methods. Do you remember how to insert image? Yes. First thing is, directly in the toolbar you can see this button, insert image. You can click here. Or what is the method 2? Yes, go to insert menu, click on image. Next you select any image from your computer. Okay, here I am going to select an image and you click open button. Now the image is opened. You can see the nodes around these images. What is this? Blue squares, small squares? Yes, these are the nodes. Okay, you can click on any one node and reduce the size accordingly. Okay, and you place it anywhere according to your convenience. Now I am going to insert another image at the top, a ribbon. Again you go to insert, click on image, select one image and click open. Okay, now you rearrange the size according to your convenience. Okay, you just rearrange the size. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so it's almost like our invitation card like this. And one more thing, here you can see two lines. Okay, so I'll show you how to create these lines. It's not in our syllabus, but just for your information I am giving you. Okay, so for inserting these two lines, what you have to do, you can see either method 1 is directly, you can see here insert line in your toolbar, or method 2, that is a better one. You can go to insert menu, click on insert menu and you can see here shape, and here you can see line and select, click on line. Okay, so you can see here the properties of line. You can increase the line width here, you can select any type line here, dotted line, dashed line, like this. Okay, anyone. You can increase the size, line width of the line. Okay, you can change the color of the line, etc. Okay, So I'm going to draw a line here. So what you have to do to get a perfect line, hold the shift key in your keyboard, keep on pressing the shift key in your keyboard, don't leave that, and make the left click in your mouse and click and drag like this to the other side. Okay, now we have created a perfect straight line. Okay, again I am going to draw another line. So again, keep on pressing the shift key, don't leave, click and drag like this to the other end. Okay, now you click outside the frame, just make a click. Okay, now if you want to move this line, just click on the line and drag like this. Okay, so you can move the line. If you want to select the line, you just click on the line, left click. Now you can see how you know that the line, this line is selected. You can see the nodes here at the two endpoints, one here and the other here. So this line is selected. Now if you want to increase the line width, you can see here line width, just click on up arrow. Now you see here the line width is increased. Likewise, you select this line, go to line width and increase the line width, click on up arrow. Now it is increased. Now I am going to move this line just like this. Okay, so you see your textbook, you can see two lines like this. Okay, so almost we have done with our greeting card. Okay, so likewise you can create your own greeting cards according to your creativity. Okay, so hope all are clear about this creating an invitation card. And so once again we will discuss the steps for creating an invitation card. So what is the first step? Create a frame. Okay, so I'll show you once more how to create a frame. Go to insert, here you can see frame, here inside you can see frame, click on that, give the width here and height here and click on OK button. Then the frame will be created, a rectangular frame will be created like this. What is the second step? You just type the text and apply the formatting tools like font style, font name, bold, underline, center alignment, like that. Okay, to the text typed inside the frame. And finally you can insert picture. Okay, how to insert a picture? Yes, go to insert menu, click on image, select an image and click on open button. And how to create a line, I have already told you. This is not so important, but this is just for your information. How to insert this line? You have to go to insert, go to shape, line, click on this line. Okay, and for a perfect straight line, keep on pressing the shift key and click and drag to the other end. Okay, so that's all about creating an invitation card. You can create your own invitation card according to your creativity. So hope all are clear about this topic. Thank you very much, my dear students.